I will show you, getting more blooms is actually simple when you know what your plant needs. Once you fix a few things, your plant can produce more flowers. Again and again, almost all the year. Here are 7 tips. Tip 1. Correct light is important. Anthuriums can survive in low light, but they don't flower. They need bright, indirect light to produce blooms. Place your plant in a bright place, but no direct sunlight. Tip 2. Correct watering habit. Correct watering is important for more blooms. Constantly wet soil leads to root stress and no flowers. Let the top layer of soil dry slightly before watering again. Insert your finger into the soil to check. If it feels dry, water. If not, wait. Tip 3. Humidity encourages blooms. Anthuriums love humidity. In dry air, flowering slows down or stops. To increase humidity, mist the leaves occasionally and use a pebble tray below the pot with water. Tip 4. Feed the plant properly. To produce flowers, the plant needs energy. That comes from nutrients. Feed a balanced liquid fertilizer. Slightly higher in phosphorus, I give liquid fertilizer. Power feed every 3 to 4 weeks. But remember, overfeeding can damage the plant. Tip 5. Right soil mix. Anthuriums prefer a light, free-draining, airy and rich potting mix. This helps roots to breathe and make them healthy. Healthy roots produce more flowers. Use a combination of potting soil, orchid bark, and perlite, or simply add some river sand and compost in a potting mix. Mix 15% compost and 15% sand in potting soil. The sand provides proper drainage and prevents waterlogged roots, and the compost will ensure essential nutrition. Tip 6. Repot at the right time. The plant will stop growing and stop flowering if it is root-bound. If you see the roots coming out from the bottom holes of the pot, repot it into one size larger pot. While repotting, ensure that the plant is at the same depth as it was in the original container. Tip 7. Prune for more blooms. Pruning is also essential for more blooms. Remove old flowers and yellow leaves regularly. This helps the plant redirect energy into new growth and fresh blooms. In conclusion, remember these points: bright light, proper watering, humidity, feeding, and healthy roots are the key points. Get these right, and your Anthurium won't just survive, but it will bloom again and again. If you enjoy simple, practical plant care tips, subscribe to the channel. Next, check out video on how to grow Anthurium from cuttings.